Welcome to the video tutorial of our swap demo, in which we're going to show how multiple programming languages interact between each others. So, first we connected our wallet. Now, in case you don't have any tokens, you can simply use a faucet to get more tokens. And if you already played with our Bring Your Own Language token demo, then you know that you also have a faucet for if there. So you can use that faucet for if in order to get Ethereum for transactions that you can then also use here. Now, I just got some USDC, and let's swap all my USDC for Doge. So as this is my all balance, what I'm going to do is I'm going to swap my whole balance in order to get Doge. I just click swap, my request is being processed, we wait, and now we get a transaction request as well, and the swap is happening, and we see that now we have zero balance of this and this balance of Doge. As you saw, this was fairly easy. Now we can also check all that we have been doing on chain, and we can see there has just been a token transferred recently, and you can see KVM, Solidity, Wasm. This should be everything to get you started regarding our multi-language swap demo.